Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 2 from exercise 3.4. Probability. There are 6 marbles in a box with numbers 1 to 6 marked on each of them. There are 6 marbles in a box. Imagine it is a box and 6 marbles are kept here. And there are numbers from 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Such numbers are marked on that marbles. Now the question is, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? Without seeing it, drawing a marble, you are picking up a marble without looking at that marble. And what is the probability? What is the possibilities that you will get a number 2? For doing this kind of sums, you have to find the possible outcomes first. So what is the possible outcomes? You can, without seeing, you are drawing one marble outside, you are taking one marble outside. That means you can get 1 also, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Sorry, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So possible outcomes means you can take what numbers you can take outside without looking at that box. Without looking at that box, which numbers you can take outside? Either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Now, what is your favorable outcomes? Now you are trying to draw a marble with number 2. So favorable outcomes is only 1, 2 you can see here. So favorable outcome is 2. Favorable outcome is only one time. It is 2, but 2 is coming here one times. So getting a number 2, it will be out of 6 marbles. 6 marbles, 2 is only one time. So this is the probability of getting a number 2. Getting a number 2. It is only one time. 2 is here only one time. It is not that I am writing 1 here. It is how many times 2 is here. 2 is here only one time. So 1 by 6. Out of 6 marbles, number 2 is here only one time. Now the same way, getting a number 5. This is also only one time. So 1 by 6 again. Okay. Now come to the next question. Question number 3. A coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start? You know, to decide that which team will start, often we are using to flipping a coin. And when a coin is flipped, the possible outcomes are either head or tail. So say your team has choose the side head. So what is the probability, what is the possibilities that your team will start the game? So probability of getting, probability, P stands for probability, capital P. P of getting head, out of two chances, head is here only one time. So 1 by 2 is the probability. So what is the probability that your team will start the game? It is 1 by 2. Okay. Next sum is, now one question from R.S. Agarwal. In a survey of 100 ladies, it was found that 36 likes coffee while 64 dislikes it. Out of these ladies, one is chosen at random. What is the probability that chosen lady likes coffee? Question number 1. And question number 2, dislikes coffee. Now read the question again and again, and you can understand that you will find that total surveyed done on 100 ladies. So total number of ladies on which the survey has done, it is 100. Number of ladies likes coffee, it is given here, found that 36 likes coffee. You will write it, number of ladies like coffee. And number of ladies dislikes it, number of ladies dislike it is 64. After writing everything very clearly, then you will go to find the probability, the number of ladies, probability of that chosen lady likes coffee. This is the probability. Ladies who likes coffee out of 100, out of 100. Now the probability of the ladies who likes coffee is equal to out of 100 likes coffee 36. You can leave the sum here, or if it is possible you can see that it can be cancelled, so you can cancel it. 36 9 4 nines are 4 25s are, so you can write 9 by 25 also. In the second case, and probability of the ladies who dislikes coffee, it is 64. So out of 100, it is 64. Again you can cancel it. 4 25s are 4 16s are. So the result is 16 by 25. Understood? So this is the answer of this sum. Very easy. You have to just find out what is the question, who likes coffee, and the number of ladies who likes coffee, it is 36. So out of 100 ladies, 36 likes coffee, and out of 100 ladies, 64 dislikes. So 64 by 100. I hope it is very easy for you. Thank you, students.